Welcome to our post-game press conference. We have our player of the game, Jansen Rios, and Coach Luigi Trillo of Meralco. Gentlemen, congratulations. Coach, the word poise is repeated in your huddles, even in practice, over and over. And in this game, you showed that, and you were able to weather every storm, every run of Barangay Ginebra. Just talk about how you finished this game.
Yeah, just remember also game one, we were up by 2 with about 6 minutes to go, and then you credit Ginebra. They showed poise, they played good defense, good offense. We lost game 1, right? So just remembering, because it's a highly emotional game. Parehong Koponan wants to win. You get carried away with some of the calls. So it's okay to complain. Both sides are complaining, but we need our boys to kind of keep their focus in, right? I thought we did a good job with that. Obviously, the guys are complaining. You look at the fouls today, 34-19. Obviously, they're watching some tape. They're every time Akil's sealing, they're flopping, and they're making a basketball play. So we've got to be smarter with that too, right? Fouls today, free throws, 42-20. We've got to manage that and be better, right? But whatever way we got it, whatever it takes to get this win, we did that. We haven't done anything now. Now we have to focus on one more game to get it done.
Thank you, Coach. Now, Jansen, if I remember it correctly, this is your first best player of the game recognition. Even in game 1, ang ganda rin ng minuto ng production, like quality minutes for the team. But talk about yung tiwala na pinapakita sa'yo or binibigay sa'yo ng coaches mo sa Meralco.
First of all, I want to thank God for the win. Yun nga, kailangan doblehin yung hard work na binibigay sa amin. Tsaka syempre, Ginebra yun eh. Kailangan maging focus ka. Every possession talaga mahalaga. Kaya yung tinitake ko lang every time na pinapasok ako ni coach, talagang mindset ko lagi is ready. Kasi hindi mo masasabi. Yun nga, ayun, thank you Lord kasi maganda yung contribution ko. Ayun.